Let's look at personal hygiene and uniforms. In this lesson, we'll look at the important points to remember when it comes to keeping ourselves clean and hygienic, as well as the importance of a clean uniform. Personal hygiene. A professional appearance conveys to others that you have pride in your job, in how you look, and that your attitude indicates interest, willingness, and keenness. A hygienic appearance is shown by cleanliness of your hair, your hands, your face, your clothing, and your shoes. Good personal hygiene also helps to prevent foodborne illness, which can make you and your guests seriously ill. To prevent this, we've outlined a few crucial points that must be put into practice. Shower or bath daily. This will keep you clean and smelling fresh. Wear clean clothes and uniform every day. Don't work if you're not fit and healthy. And remember to always let your supervisor know if you are not feeling well. Try to handle food as little as possible. This lowers the risk of making food unsafe or dangerous to consume. Wash your hands before you start working with food, between tasks, after blowing your nose, and using the toilet. The number of germs on your fingertips doubles after using the toilet, so never forget to wash your hands at every opportunity. Keep your hair clean, and don't touch your hair while working with food. Did you know that one hair follicle can contain up to 50,000 different germs? Keep your fingernails clean and short. This is a favorite place for bacteria to hide. Don't touch your nose or mouth with your hands. Never cough or sneeze over food. Cover your mouth with a tissue. If not covered, a sneeze sends saliva into the air at 160 kilometers per hour, and a single sneeze can contain as many as 100,000 germs. Don't wear jewelry or watches while working with food. These are also places where germs are often found. Plus, jewelry such as earrings can easily fall into the food. Imagine if a guest took a bite of their delicious meal, only to crack a tooth on your earring. Never smoke or spit around food. Headgear, such as a chef's hat or hairnet, should always be worn when handling food. This keeps your hair out of the food. Open cuts, burns, and sores must be covered with a waterproof dressing. This will protect the wound and keep bacteria from spreading from the wound to the food. Let's look at the chef's uniform. Your uniform sets you apart. It shows everyone that you are a proud member of the team in the kitchen. So, the chef's uniform must be worn with pride and also worn correctly for your safety. Your uniform needs to be light in weight and comfortable. It should never be too tight. White is the best color for a chef's uniform because you can easily see where the jacket is dirty and needs to be changed. People also tend to work more cleanly when wearing whites. Let's take a look at the different parts of your uniform. Chef's jacket. The chef's jacket is double-breasted to protect the chest area, and it is also long-sleeved to protect your arms from burning or scalding. The fabric should be non-flammable, so as to protect you when you're working with open flames. The apron. Your chef's apron should reach to just below your knees. This forms an extra layer of fabric to protect you from burns. The chef's hat. The chef's hat prevents hair from falling into the food, but it also serves another purpose. What do you think that is? As you know, it can get very hot in the kitchen. And, that's right, the chef's hat also helps to absorb any sweat that is on your forehead. Footwear. Your shoes must always be clean. Dirty shoes will always bring germs into the kitchen, which can then contaminate the food that you are preparing. Your shoes need to be closed, laced up, and they must be safety shoes with strong metal toe caps. This will protect your feet in any case that a heavy item is dropped onto your foot. The shoes must also be non-slip with rubber soles. The trousers. Your trousers should be clean, they should fit well, and they should be comfortable to move around in. You should never have trousers that are too loose or baggy, as this might make you trip or fall. Finally, remember that every part of your uniform must be clean and washed every day. Well done on understanding the importance of hygiene and taking pride in your appearance.